Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again today. My name is Sarah. So today I have for all of you a homemade oil which helps with reducing your hair fall, changes the texture of your hair, and most importantly promotes hair growth. Right after giving birth, I've had a lot of hair fall, and that's something that I've been still struggling with. So I did a lot of research on natural remedies, and this is the oil that I came up with, and I'm sure it's going to help you also, because I've been also using it for the past 2 weeks, and I do see a lot of change. I see baby hairs growing. So I do hope that it works for you too. So let's get quickly into the video. Hi guys, so these are the ingredients that we'll be needing to make the homemade oil. So here I have some aloe vera gel. This is from fresh aloe vera, and the gel is about 2 of these sizes. I've taken just the gel out, and then here I have some cut small onions or shallots, about 4 small onions, 2 handful of curry leaves that I've dried in the sun, and about 3 tablespoons of fenugreek. So this is all that we would need. And for the oils, today I'm going to be using a mixture of coconut oil, castor oil, and sesame oil. The mixture of the oils and the combination is all your choice, and there is no set measurements. You can do it as per your wish. So let's get started. Here I have the curry leaf and the fenugreek. I'm going to grind this into a fine powder. Now I'm going to give this aloe gel a grind too, so it becomes a good smooth paste. So I'm going to be adding coconut oil, sesame oil, and castor oil to this pan, and I've just kept it on very low heat, and make sure that the oil doesn't boil. Coconut oil, castor oil, sesame oil, now I'll add the small onions, just going to mix this and let it just infuse for about a minute or 2. Now I'm going to be adding the aloe vera gel. And just let this heat up a little more. So now I'm going to be adding the powder, the fenugreek and curry powder. Try adding it slowly. I'm just going to leave this to boil. If you see, the bubbles have started to rise, and I'll just leave this for another minute, and then we can turn off the stove. So I'm just going to close this lid. I've turned off the stove, and I'm going to close it and keep it aside and let it cool for 12 hours, so the sediments all go down and you will get the clear oil. So I'll catch you up again tomorrow. Hey guys, so if you see, I've let this oil that we made yesterday, I've let it to rest, and it's infused well. All these items that we added yesterday have infused with the oil, and the oil is now ready to be transferred. I have this oil, and I'm going to be using a filter to pour the oil in, and I'm just using this measuring cup because it's going to be easier for me to transfer it into the glass bottle. We have our oil here. I've just made it in a very small quantity, and also store it in a glass bottle, so the shelf life is for long. And also just keep this in the fridge. Just take it out every time you're going to use it. Take it out, maybe like in a small bowl, and microwave it, or double boil it. Keep it in the fridge because we've used onions and aloe vera. It's always good to just refrigerate it. And here, if you see, we have the residue. You don't need to throw this out. Just give it a grind, and you can use this as a hair mask because it's got all the nutrients here infused in this. So you can use this as a hair mask. You can use this as a hair mask for maybe 2 or 3 washes. So nothing goes to waste. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give this oil a try and let me know how it goes. Until next time, I'll catch you up soon. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.